Do you have your license on you?
I'm sorry?
Do you have your license on you? What are you reaching for, man? Put your hands up. What are you reaching for?
What do you mean?
What are you reaching for? You speak English, buddy. I know you speak English. Do you have your license on you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have any paperwork for the car or anything like that?
Yes.
Okay, show me the paperwork.
House. Can you follow me?
No, I'm not following you nowhere.
Why?
Listen, do you have the paperwork for the car or no?
Yes, I think I do have some.
Sorry, girl, 795 Roll.
I have the rest at the house.
Okay, where are you going?
Home.
From where?
From Publix.
From where? Publix?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not doing anything.
Okay. Just hop on out, buddy. Step out of the car.
I cannot.
Hey, don't me. Do you understand that?
Do not pull away. Get out. Get out.
No.
Listen,
I
we're gonna tell you one time, and then we're gonna make you get out of the car.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Okay. No, no.
Get out of the car.
I got
Put
it.
your hands
I
up
got
and
it.
get out of the car. You understand? Get out of the car. Get out of the car is your last chance. 1, 2, 3. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Pull him out. Pull him out. Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
Let me do it myself.
Get out of the car.
Just stop.
Get out of the car.
Just stop doing that.
Car's off. Get out of the car. Last chance.
I got it.
Get out of the car.
Okay, I got it. I got it. Hey.
Hands on your back. Hands on your back.
Man, you don't have to do that.
Listen.
I'm listening.
It's going to be Oldham Way and Murphy. Oldham and Murphy.
Car is motor 320 tank.
In custody, everyone's control.
We're detained 1331, continuing 33, total advice.
Roll those medics.
You're rolling medic.
That's only reference taser department. No one. You right? You good? I'm good.
Copy. EMS for taser deploy only.
Yeah, you need to go to the hospital. Yeah.
Anybody else in the car?
No, it's
Copy,
it's him.
1331.
I have my shoes back, please?
No, you can't have no shoes back. Man. It's just from the car. This one. Hey, you should get out of the car.
Because I asked you. Let me come.
No, we're not here to talk. We're telling you to get out of the car. You gotta get out. Have a seat.
Okay, easy. Can I have my nose?
No, man, no. Take that. Yeah, nothing. No, I'm just asking for food. Have a seat, buddy. Have a seat. You alright?
Yeah, I got bit a little bit.
Yeah, I got stomach over.
Yeah.
Sorry. I don't know how I jumped on it. I'm low one. Yeah, I got sparked too, bro.
I know. I was like,
I don't know how I got sparked.
my both
I
arms
think
got
all
locked
the
up.
wires were all over.
Probably. You good?
Yeah.
His blood right here.
Yeah, he was reaching hard, man. So I
Was
don't
he?
know if he has a gun or a knife
Okay.
over there.
Alright.
But
Do you have one? Do you have one more? Or? I'll grab one. ID card only.
yeah, he's habitual. He's the RO. I stopped his kids one day.
Did you?
Yeah, he was in jail. I stopped his kids. He beats up his kids too. But I was trying to figure out what he was reaching for. That'll work out, man. I'm out of shape. Oh, it's probably the beer cans that are back here. That's what it is.
Garden Lake Drive and Military Trail head like the military maintenance park. Color unit 27 Silver. I'm sorry. Silver color 27 Silverado. Other involved in the
Yeah, that's what it was.
foot to the blower and only.
No, it's not cold. No, it's not cold. But that's probably what he was trying to hide. And the rest are all sealed.
So no complaints later.
You didn't see nothing in the passenger seat?
No, that's all. No, on that side. Rescue 97. He's got to get it checked out by hospital anyway, so. Hey, you want to get him his shoes?
You have all the information.
His ID? Give him 1 second.
Check you, make sure you got nothing. Alright.
One more thing.
My buddy, what do you want?
I need my glasses. The glasses. No, this one you can take. I need my glasses. There is a glasses. Because
Okay,
I
we'll
don't
get that.
see.
We'll get that in a little bit. Let's walk over.
No, I needed to
Okay.
read or anything.
Okay, you're not reading anything.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to the... No, we're going to the rig.
Take this shit.
We have to take it. We have to go over there.
Take
They're going to take
this.
it off over there.
Oh.
That's why we're going into the rig.
Garden 77 contact 51.
Okay. Just hold on. No, he was inside the car. He fell back. Inside the car. So, no punches, no kicks. No nothing. Somebody has to ride. Somebody has to ride. You want to ride that?
That's why I was asking for one phone call so my son can come and take the car.
No.
No way.
I talked to your sons, man. Your sons are not part of this charade that you do.
Let me turn up.
Yeah, I've talked to them before. Yeah, we can.
You mean to Alan?
Yeah, what? I've talked to them before. Both of them. Both of them. I stopped them. While you were in jail.
Stop from one.
For speeding. While you were in jail.
Non-valid individual, impound vehicle,
I'm lying to you.
clear the path.
They were driving your other car. They got towed.
That
was me.
He's going to be here.
You gotta stop driving.
You are local.
Yeah,
You are local. Be lucky.
you're good. Your kids are good kids.
I know.
No, you're not a good guy.
I'm good guy. I'm supporting them. I'm feeding them. I'm working. I'm the only one at the house.
You need to get it to follow you in.
I don't know now. That's why I was asking you to let me go.
Thank you, buddy.
You ready, bud? Let's hop up here. Got it? Get you on the stretch. Alan.
Am I going? Yeah, I don't know. You find out, you let me know. All right, I'll follow you. Thank you, gentlemen.